So in this video, I literally asked ChatGPT to how to build X automation posting for personal use with the Cloud Artifact for the version to generate the full apps and all. So Cloud generate the front end, back end, dashboard, posting system, everything with a single line of code. So that was the whole thing we're supposed to do in the video. So first of all, we open ChatGPT and give the prompt like I wanted to build a cloud artifact. So basically, a cloud artifact is a personal version of SaaS. So we can use everything what the SaaS does, but we prompted our own thing, means what we want in the SaaS, and cloud will give the interface of doing the thing. So that was the whole thing, was the concept of cloud artifact and all. So let's I giving like what we want. I wanted a schedule posting and prompt and week and all. So that was the whole thing we adding in the prompt. So basically the X automation is what is that it give the 3 to 4 options. After clicking it able to generate a post. So you can see, so for building automation we need a API key of the X, and that was an error because the X does not provide a free API key. We're supposed to charge, and there is a other model also. So but they have pricing and all, so we want to build with free version. So let's check another version is able to done or not. So I'm like giving the prompt like able to done or like copy paste format like SAS. So let's see. So just asking the question like is able to build with without the API key. So after all, I giving the prompt like build a copy paste format system also because it is best. It does not require any API key and all, and the cost was also less. Only the cloud API cost was there, but cloud provided daily free limits also, so we does not have to pay and all. So I giving the copy paste format and it give it the complete tweet generation plus schedule and all. The code feature was enter the prompt and it generated in copy link format. Must have the future like niche and all, so we can easily check. It's given the calendar feature also, so that was a great. And you can see it suggests timing and save post and all new feature was available. So I giving the option like what option should I add, and for cloud with workflow me. So I am giving the prompt like what and how to build like in cloud artifact and all. So it give the option like this option should add for giving it them personalized post and all. After that I giving like give it one format to build the whole structure of the SaaS. So yeah, in this I added a build a complete structure like the name of the SaaS was like our name Founder X, and UI should be white and dark, like giving the basic themes like what's supposed to add in the SaaS and all. So that was the only basic prompt, and it generated the whole structure with ChatGPT. So I paste and copy, and this is the all the features. So I added all the feature I want, and I added the prompt of what and how to build and all. So this is a complete code. Sorry, this is a complete prompt. So you can see it generated copy paste format is only us to copy and paste on the cloud, and it generated the complete structure. So you can see the whole information was added perfectly. So let's open a cloud artifact. For building Cloud Artifact, you're supposed to have a desktop version. So you're supposed to download in, like, normal account server is not work. So we're supposed to add a compulsory desktop version to use a Cloud Artifact. So you can see we already built a job finder app on LinkedIn. The video was public on YouTube. You're supposed to watch. That was also a great video. So build on the Cloud Artifact only. So we are building with X. So click on new artifact and select the option of apps and websites. After that, we copy the whole prompt of X automation of making post and all, and copy and paste to Cloud Artifact. So you can see the cloud was generating the code, and it's done automatically and all. Does not need any code and giving the instruction like build with Node.js and all the coding instruction. We only supposed to give the prompt of basic how the structures work. Does not need any code structure. Build with like JSON format, Node.js and all. So it built what the perfect was and what was the good for the SaaS. It built it. So it's take time, and you can see it generated a good UI. So I does not expect like, but it was, yeah, very good. So there is option like one post and all, and the name of my YouTube channel is also showing the founder arc X. So that was a great thing. An option like tone, be type of tone you want, and output length was only the 1 and 7 posts. So I'm giving the prompt like add a option like 3 to 5 posts or not a one post. So you can see it giving the output length format. So it's not structure. So let's change and tell to remove the output length and add a simple theme. So just if you have error, so just take a screenshot of error thing and go to the cloud chats and paste and what's supposed to change you add, and it generate automatically. So you can see I take. So after that, the structure was, you can see the whole option button was came. So that was a great thing. You do any error, you just take a screenshot. So little bit error was on always happen. So you're supposed to mind that. So I testing one post is able to work or not. So let's see. I take, let's shorts under 30 words, and taking one post is able to generate or not, add the hashtag and all. So let's generate. So you can see the post was also good. Yeah, the post was very good. We can also paste on our link, X also. So just X post and open link. So there is a error, it's able to work or not. Yes, it's working perfectly. The except one was open. So let's retry and log into our account. So you can see we log into our founder X account. So let's paste. So there is error, it's not able to paste the whole format. So let's fix the issue. Just take it, just tell. So the copy paste version was not working, so it build the structure, and you can see, let's check is able to work or not. So the post was copied perfectly. Let's open X and let's see it's able to paste or not. Yeah, you can see the copy paste version was working perfectly. So yeah, you can see the post was generated perfectly. So that was the whole part of the video. So we can generate what you want, that type of post, and what type of structure you want in the SaaS. you can build. And pricing also, we only have to purchase the like cloud pricing, which I think the $17, and we can build a multiple size also for your personal use. So that was a great thing. And we also make lots of video on this topic also. So yeah, that was the whole thing of building a X generating post automation and all. So yeah.